This is my math homework number 26, Monday. For the first one, it says Sarah poured 1 1/8 cups of lemonade into each of 5 glasses. What was the total amount of lemonade Sarah poured into the 5 glasses? So the word total means to add everything up. So we know that it'll be 1 1/8 plus 1 1/8 because she's pouring that much in every glass and there's 5 glasses. So it'll be 1 1/8 plus 1 1/8 plus 1 1/8. You can either multiply it by 5 or you can add them up this way. I know this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cups, and then it'll be 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8. So I know it'll be 5 and 5/8 is my answer. So it'll be the letter C. Or you could have done 1 1/8 times 5, and you could do times plus. That will be 8 times 1 is 8, add 1 is 9. That's 9/8 over 9/8 times 5. That would be 40 divided by 8. Oops, I mean 45 divided by 8, and then you could do the math that way, and that will still give you 5 wholes, because 8 can go into 45 5 times with 40, and then 5/8. So whichever way you like better. So the answer is still going to be letter C. For the second one, it says each member of Mark's school band sold the same number of tickets to their concert. Altogether, the members of the school board or the school band sold a total of 442 tickets. There are 34 members of the band. Determine the number of tickets each member sold. So Mark used the model below. We know that they all sold the same number. That's division, right? Because when we divide, we're splitting it up equally. So all we have to do is, I don't even need to use the model. Just do the math. We have 442 tickets, and it's being divided by 34 kids because each one of them sold the same amount. So we know it cannot go into 4. It can go into 44 once. Now that'll be 44 minus 34 to give us 10. Drop down the 2. It can go into it 3 times, I believe. That would be perfectly 102. So we know that every single band member sold 13 tickets, so the answer has to be A. We don't even need to use a model, especially if you don't know what they did. So it's just easier that way. And the answer right here is C. 10, 11, 12, 13. So even ignore the model. Next one, Kara went running 3 times this week. Each time she ran 2.5 miles. Which number line has point K graph so that it best represents the total distance Kara ran in miles? Well, she ran for 2.5 and she did it for 3 times, so we'll be doing 2.5 times 3. That will give us 15, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, add 1 is 7. You have one number behind the decimal. So the answer has to be 7.5. So find the one that has 7.5. That one doesn't have 7.5. That one's not 7.5. That one's not. This is the one that ends at 7.5. And we know that it has to be the letter D. For the last one, it says there are 2,817 homes in the town of West Valley. Each home uses an average of 380 gallons of water each day. Use the expression below to find the total number of gallons of water the homes in West Valley use on average on each day. So pretty much it tells us just to find out the answer to that. So let's just multiply. And we'll multiply by 380. What you could do is multiply by 38. And you just add the 0 in at the very end. And that will make it a little bit easier. We know that 8 times 7 is going to be 56. Carry the 5. 8 times 1 is 8. Add 5 would be 13. Carry the 1. 8 times 8 is 64. Add 1 makes 65. Carry the 6. 8 times 2 is 16. Add 6 would be 22. Erase the numbers up top. Cross out your 8. Put a 0. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3. Add 2 is 5. 3 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Add 2 makes 8. We know it would be 6 here. If 4, this is a 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. We can add the 0 in now. And we know it will be 1,070,460. And it will be letter D. And that's it.